Right guys, so you're going to want this. Pepperonis, a pack of cheese strings, some garlic butter, some grated mature cheddar, and a small loaf of bread. Right Lucy, cut me something up.
Easy.
Right, so we're back home now Lucy, so what is it we're going to be making?
So I'm going to be making the viral cheesy pepperoni garlic rolls. Right, so first off you want to be cutting all the crusts off the bread, or you could have just bought crustless bread, Mark.
Well no, I want to give this to the birds. Feed my birdies.
Now you're going to roll them all out flat. So you want to get all your cheese strings out, then get a knife, measure them up, and just make them to the same size as your bread. And don't forget, pay the cheese tax.
What's the cheese tax?
You know, the cheese tax.
Oh, the cheese tax.
Then you want to do the same with the pepperoni. Like so.
And do we pay pepperoni tax?
No, Peggy does. She's waiting. Quick, quick, Peggy, quick.
Well, she'll only eat it in a bed. There you go. Good girl.
Now we're going to make our cheese and pepperoni rolls. Now you have to roll these really tight.
Okay.
As so.
Hang on, you've done that one different.
Yeah, because you got the tiddly farty bread, Mark. Should have got the normal size bread. Look, you need to make sure it's really covered over like that.
So what we're going to do then, just leave the ends hanging out?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because it's your fault again.
I'll take the blame for that, but they're still going to be amazing, aren't they?
Yep. Get those onto a baking tray now, because this is going to get a little bit messy.
We like messy. We like messy.
Now you want to get your garlic butter. Now I've only actually seen this one in Heron Stroke B&M's. And you want to get this all over the top. Quite a lot on.
Oh, yes, we like garlic. We absolutely love garlic.
Garlic bread.
It's the future.
Right, that's done. And we're just going to get the cheese on top. Just stick it all on like that. And don't forget to pay the cheese tax.
But you do love our cheese, don't you?
Yeah, cheesy. And that goes in the air fryer until it's all melted. We'll just keep checking it.
Have you been there the whole time watching them?
Yeah, come on, look, they're bubbling. They're looking really good.
Oh, hello. Oh, they look really nice. Are you ready to get out?
Yeah.
Come on, then, let's see them.
Wow.
Oh, yes, look at them. Oh, they look naughty. They look absolutely naughty.
And let's get those.
Oh.
Oops. Straight onto the plate. You see, mine have worked. Yours is too little.
Yeah, but I like mine.
Right, let's give them a cut down the middle. Oh my God, good. Two of my favourite things.
How good?
I love them. I'd make them every day.
Let's have a taste of that. Oh, there we go. Mmm. Lou, cheesy garlic pigs in blankets. Oh. Guys, give that a try. That's amazing. Get to Heron Foods.
And don't forget to hit the follow button for more creative meals.